Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and reading awesome books. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Ravi, and a couple of days ago I made a video called how someone can earn money through reading books. So after publishing that video, I got a lot of messages in my DMs like how someone can start earning through Instagram, not just reading books but in other various ways, and how someone can grow followers and what are the best ways to make money on Instagram. What amount of followers do you need to start earning good amount of money on Instagram? So this type of messages I got in my DMs, so I thought maybe I should make a video like this to tell you all of these Instagram tips and tricks to make money on Instagram. So in this video I'm going to tell you all of these experiences and learnings on how someone can start earning through Instagram. So I'm going to share with you guys 5 steps that you need to take care of when you want to start your Instagram journey and start making very good amount of money. So the first step is how to find your niche, and the second step we're going to talk about is to how to make good content for your niche, and the third step is how many followers do you need to make money, and the fourth step is to the best ways, the various ways to make money on Instagram, and the last step is to how to scale your business, how to scale your brand basically. So the first step is how to find a niche on Instagram. So you need to ask yourself what is your goal for your page. So in my case I'm creating book content niche, non-fiction books, educational content. So the people who are the authors and book companies, educational companies, if they find my content interesting, educational and worthy, they will wanted to work with me. So that in that case, if you wanted to start let's suppose in health and fitness, in digital marketing, in business and giving financial advices, like the various stuffs, if you are also interested your own thing and start making content for it, so the people who are also interested in that area, they will find you and they will approach you to work with you. So that is the case, and you can also search in that Instagram with your keyword. Let's suppose you are going with health and fitness, so you're gonna search in Instagram and health and fitness, and you will see how many posts are created. Let's suppose 100k or a million or 10 million. So doing that, you need to find if this market is saturated or not. So health and fitness is very saturated, so you're gonna break it down to your own specific niche. So let's suppose you're going with workout or a specific type of workout that you are very interested in or you have the experience of it, so you can also create content for that particular audience also. Or if you want, you can also go with the saturated market. So you have to make content for the saturated audience, saturated market, and the people who are making content for them are having a very good amount of years experience, so they are very expert in this, so you will get a lot of competition in it. So if you want results very fast, you can also go with the saturated market, saturated niche, and the thing is you will not gonna sustain it for a long period of time because you will get exhausted. If you are doing this because of money, yes, you will get money, and in a long period of time you are gonna not sustain that business because you will get exhausted. And how to scale your business, I'm also going to tell you some of the tips in the last step. So the second step is how to create good content for your niche. So on Instagram, visuals are everything. So if you find the post attractive, you obviously gonna like it. So before starting or creating content, do some content research on Instagram in your niche. So basically find some of these competitors and analyze their profile, how they are doing, what are their color psychology, how they choose their title font, or if they are using any icons, emojis, how they write their titles in the description, if they're using hashtags, how many hashtags they are using. So you need to see all of this stuff and analyze all of their profiles and see and test in your own content, your own profile, if they are working or not. So before starting your all of your content research, do search some of this stuff and see if they are working on your own page or not. After you have done with the content research, you need to create content. So for creating content, I use a tool called Canva, and this is not a sponsored video. I have been using Canva for like 5 or 6 years. So I've discovered from like 5 or 6 years, and I'm using continuously for my various stuff. If I am creating thumbnail for YouTube, I'm creating with the Canva, and sometimes Photoshop also. But Canva is a very quick way to make good attractive post for your Instagram, for like any social media platforms. So you can use that if you're making reels. So reels are very engaging these days. If you start your page recently, make sure you create reels. Reels are very engaging and getting a lot of views and followers for your page very quick. So make sure you create reels, and for reels I use InShot sometimes. Yes, you can edit your reels in Instagram editor, and basically that will also give you boost because Instagram also wants you to use their own features, not externally apps. So sometimes I use InShot also, but not all of of the times. You can use various apps and softwares for creating your Instagram reels or post. So basically there's Figma available, there's KineMaster available, Filmora, iMovie. So depending on what software or what tools you are using, mobile phone or camera, so according to your equipments you can switch all of these apps. So the thing is, you need to be very unique with your own style, the skills that you are having. So you need to take care of all of this stuff to create a very good engaging content for your Instagram. So like I said earlier, visuals are everything on Instagram. So if you're making reels, make sure it is clean, the place is clean, and the editing cuts are very clean. It should be look like sync with the music that you are using. So you need to be take care with selecting music, if this music is trending, like everyone is using this music or not. So you have to be make sure of. The thing is, all of this stuff comes up with the experience. If you have done creating content for Instagram, like let's say for 6 months or for a year, you have a very good amount of experience and you will learn. So the thing is, you learn with like every step. So you need to be take care of all of this stuff. And the tools that I mentioned, I have not paid from these software companies or apps. I have used all of this personally, and that is why I'm telling you, if you want, you can use this, or you can also use the Instagram Future or Instagram editor for your reels. So the next step or question that I got asked a lot of the times, how many followers do I need to start making money on Instagram? Let's suppose I say you 500 followers. Yes, this is the truth. People who having 500 followers are also making money. People I also know who having 500 followers or 1k followers, they start making money and very good amount of money. The thing is, in which niche they are making content for, and it depends also how worthy their content is, how engaging their content is, how well they have experience and expertise in their niche. So I know people who are making content in the digital marketing niche, in social media marketing niche, in financial advisor, so they have experience and they're making a very good amount of money. So they find clients on Instagram with just 500 followers and they know what they're doing. So basically, if you have some of the skills and experiences and some of this finding and doing some research on Instagram, on various online platforms, like what are the demands are. So basically, these people are having very good amount of experience and they find out and they start making content for their audience and find clients on Instagram or YouTube, or they're having websites. So this is the various type of ways they expand their businesses also. So on Instagram you can also make money with just 500 followers. Like I said earlier, it depends on your niche. So I know people who having 50,000 followers and they are not making money. If they are making money, the amount is very less, because I've seen their profiles and it depends how well their audience is there, if their purchasing power is high or not, the content they are making, the engagements, and how well they optimize their profile, they having brand personality or not, their branding is good or not. So all of this stuff is very important for your personal branding. Next question is, how many ways you can make money on Instagram and which is the best way to make money? So people who have built their personal branding, let's suppose they're having 500k followers or 1 million followers, they're making a very good amount of money on Instagram because they have built the personal branding. And personal branding is everything, which is I am doing right now, showing my face on reels and creating these YouTube videos. So this is the part of the personal branding, creating your personal branding, and that is I am telling you with the experience. And the people who have million followers or subscribers and on YouTube, they are friends now and I'm talking with them. So they are not telling me to build your personal branding as soon as possible. So this is the thing, you can make various amount of money if you have the personal branding. And if you are starting out, let's discuss with this 5 or 6 ways. First is sponsorship post, and the second is brand deals, third is affiliate marketing, and the fourth is your own unique products like physical products or digital products, and the fifth is teaching. What lessons you have learned throughout your experience you can teach online with various who have interest to learn with you. You can teach and charge according to your time. So this is you can also do with one-on-one coaching or consultation with your own audience, and you can charge the X amount of money with your time on your time basically, and you can make very good amount of money with this also. So I have done sponsorship post in the past on my Instagram. So in this you can charge per post, or you can charge per reel, or how many stories you gonna post in your Instagram, and link in bio, how many days you going to include their link in your bio. So this, all of these services can matters a lot, and you need to package all of these services in your campaign. So they will approach you and you need to send out your campaign according to your followers, how many rupees or dollars you can charge according to the company, you know what they want basically. If they are up from outside India, they're gonna ask you in dollars, and if they are in India, obviously they're gonna ask you make campaign in rupees. So according to your engagement and your followers, you're going to make your campaign. So this is the thing. And you can also do brand deals, which is also very good. If you starting out and you have getting brand deals according to your niche, whatever you're making content for, so you're gonna get this brand deals. And this is the thing, with working with brand deals are also very good, because this is transaction basis, and you can make the X amount of money with the one post or one reel. And the third thing you can do is, like I said, affiliate marketing, which is I'm doing on YouTube. So you also have seen on my description that I post whenever I am making book recommendations, I post the books links in my description, so you guys can make purchase through my link. And the thing is, I'm going to receive the some of the percentage. So yeah, this is the affiliate marketing. And you can also, I haven't done Amazon affiliate marketing on my Instagram. I have done with the educational company, like the past year I have done with one. So with affiliate marketing, people are making a very good amount of money, and if they get a very good amount of percentage deal, they're gonna make a lot of money. It depends on your audience and also their purchasing power and the product. If the product is very good, and if you connect your audience with the product, and the product is very good, and it also is a demand for the audience, so if you make these two connection, you also gonna make a lot of money. Then this is called the product market fit. So basically the audience and the product, if the audience want the product and this is the exact product they need, and you connect all of this together, or you obviously make a lot of money. The next way is to selling physical product or digital product. So according to your audience, you know the best if they're going to need a physical product or a digital product. Your personal branding, if you have clothing line, you obviously gonna make your own personal brand according to your audience. If they like cap, you're going to make cap. If they like t-shirt, you're gonna make the t-shirt, with your own personal branding name on it. So basically my audience is educational content, book reviewing. So I'm planning to write a book for my audience. So let's see, this will be coming out soon. Let's suppose I am planning right now, so I'm going to start in this couple of days to write my own book. It will be a digital book. If the demand is more, I'm going to also publish paperback copy. So let's see. And this is the another way you can make money on Instagram, and which is very good. And I know a couple of my friends are also have digital products on Instagram, ebooks they are selling, and paperbacks they are also selling, and they're making very good amount of money monthly. So also this is a very best way to do. Basically you can do one-on-one coaching, and I know people who are doing one-on-one coaching and they're charging a very basically a lot, and they know their value, how much they are worth, and according to that their experiences and how many years they are doing this their own stuff. And if they taking one-on-one consultation, so they charge with their own time and they give the value. So basically one-on-one program coaches are worth a lot. Basically last step is how to scale your business or your brand, your personal brand. So if you have done doing all of this stuff and you're making a decent amount of money, and this is the exact point, you need to start thinking big. You need to set your mind to make a personal brand, to start reaching all of these social media places and start creating for them. And if you're only present on Instagram, you need to start making video content for YouTube, and you also need to making text content for Twitter. You need to start making a website, your own personal website, where you include all of your services and stuffs like your YouTube video links, your Instagram, your other social media content to one place. So basically the point is you need to expanding yourself, your personal brand, so that people gonna find you and they will trust you. Basically doing all of this personal branding stuff is people going to trust you. So if you first started your Instagram, your more focus should be on Instagram, to build your Instagram, and side by side you need to be take care of all of this stuff. This is the main pillar, your Instagram, because you have expertise and you started the first on Instagram making content for it, and you need to be take care in your own mind that you also gonna start creating content for other social social media platforms. In that way you also grow your personal branding also. So the main thing is your Instagram. You need to be very strong on Instagram, and also the other ways you also going to create content for other social media platforms as well. So this is my video on how to make money on Instagram in 2022. So if you have some of the questions, you can ask in the comment down below, and you can also DM me. But the thing is, if you comment down below if you want another video, or if you have any questions for it, like I said, the 5 steps or the questions involved, and I got asked these questions a lot of the times. And if you have any unique questions other than this, if you want, you can comment down below, I want a video on this topic, then I will make a video on the topic as well. And you can check out my Instagram page, the link will be in the description box below. DM me there as well, and I happy to help you out. So I hope you like the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like it, because this is gonna help a lot. And if you have some of the questions, comment down below. Check out my other social media platforms, all of the links will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.